Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome in my channel Arabic with Dina. This is the lesson number 5. So please click subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Are you ready? Let's get started. The lesson entitled The Short Vowels in Arabic. Now I'm going to teach you the short vowel number 2 in Arabic named kasra. Kasra like small slash and put under the letter. Kasra giving E sound. When I see kasra, we move the chin down. Again, kasra like small slash and put under the lid. Kasra giving E sound. When we see kasra, we move the chin down. Repeat after me. Alif with kasra, E. Alif with kasra, E. Ba with kasra, P. Ba with kasra, P. Ta with kasra, E. Ta with kasra, C. Sa with kasra, C. Sa with kasra, C. Jim with kasra, G. Jim with kasra, G. Ha with kasra, She. Ha with kasra, She. Ha with kasra, She. Ha with kasra, She. Dal with kasra, Z. Dal with kasra, Z. Zal with kasra, Z. Zal with kasra, Z. Ra with kasra, Ri. Ra with kasra, Ri. Zay with kasra, Z. Zay with kasra, Z. Sin with kasra, C. Sin with kasra, C. Shin with kasra, She. Shin with kasra, She. Sad with kasra, Si. Repeat after me, please. Sad with kasra, Si. Dad with kasra, Z. Dad with kasra, Z. Ta with kasra, T. Ta with kasra, T. Va with kasra, Z. Va with kasra, Z. Ain with kasra, I. Ain with kasra, I. Ghain with kasra, G. Ghain with kasra, G. Fa with kasra, C. Fa with kasra, C. Qaf with kasra, Qi. Qaf with kasra, Qi. Kaf with kasra, Ki. Kaf with kasra, Ki. Lam with kasra, Li. Lam with kasra, Li. Mim with kasra, Mi. Mim with kasra, Mi. Noon with kasra, Ni. Noon with kasra, Ni. Ha with kasra, Hi. Ha with kasra, Hi. Waw with kasra, Wi. Waw with kasra, Wi. Ya with kasra, Yi. Ya with kasra, Yi. Again, when you see kasra, what is the shape of kasra? Kasra like small slash and it was under the letter. What is the sound of kasra? Kasra giving E sound. see kasra, we move its chin down like this. When we see kasra, we move its chin down. Again, alif kasra, e, b kasra, e, ta kasra, t, sa kasra, c, jim kasra, j, ha kasra, she, ha kasra, he, del kasra, d, del kasra, z, ra kasra, ri, del kasra, z, sin kasra, si, shin kasra, shi, صاد كسرة ص ضاد كسرة ص طاء كسرة ص ظا كسرة ظ عين كسرة عي غين كسرة غي ثاء كسرة ثي قاف كسرة قي كاف كسرة كي لام كسرة لي ميم كسرة مي نون كسرة ني هاء كسرة هي واو كسرة وي ياء كسرة يي. I have an important point when I use kasra with alif, especially we must put hamza under alif like this, and the pronouns of these letters become e, alif with kasra e. When we see kasra, we move chin down like this, alif with kasra e, alif with kasra become e. Really, I'm so happy when I teach you the alphabet with kasra vowel. If you like my video, please click subscribe and like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. مع السلامة.